Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing new headlights in a 2008 Subaru Outback. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open our hood. There's a hood release right here. Pull that back. Hood latch safety is right there. Pull it to the left. And then there's a prop rod right here. Stick that right there. We're going to take these clips out. There's one here. I believe there should be one there, but there's might be a shield missing. There's one here, here, and here. We're going to use trim tools. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Let's get in here. They are a bit of a struggle. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver just to break this free. This one's a little sticky. You're going to pull it down just a little bit, not too far, and we should be able to get underneath and pull it out. For the sake of the video, we took the wheel off, but if you had the car on the ground, you can always turn the wheel back and forth to gain access to this. So you can do the same procedure for taking these clips out for all the clips. That's all the clips. Right here is a clip. I'll pull this clip out. Pull this inner fender well shield out so we can gain access to the fog light. There's a connector right here. I'm going to push down on the tab and pull the connector straight out. See, there's the tab. Just push down and pull it out. This part of the fender is intertwined into the bumper, so we need to pull this off just a little bit. There is clips that are pushed in right here, but before we do that, we're going to pull a clip out over here. There's going to be one right there. Then we're going to get in under here with our clip tool. Try to pry up a little bit. Do this at the same time. You can grab with your fingers up top. Just pull it out a little bit. Just to get that out of the way. See how it clips into there? So you have to do it together. Then you're going to grab this part of the bumper. And we're just going to pull firmly. Just like that. There's clips right there. Hold it in. Don't forget to pull the clip out on this side. The same as the other side. We'll pull this back. Just a little bit. Get that unlocked. And grab the bumper and firmly pull out. We're going to pull these snaps out. Use a flat blade tool and our trim tool. And this one too. Pull that out. Right along here, these little clips. You push these down, pull out on the grill. Just like that. Like that. Now we're going to grab the bumper. Whole bumper should be loose now. Pull it right up. These bolts are really rusty, so we're going to spray some penetrating oil on them. two right here, right in here. I believe there was probably supposed to be a bolt there, but it is not there on this vehicle. There's some more right here. Another one right there. We're going to use a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Break these bolts loose. There's another one down here. Take it and pull it straight out. And there's a connector right here. I'm going to push down on that tab, pull it off. There's a connector right here. Push on that tab and pull out. I'm going to pull this clip off. It holds the wire on. Push in from the back side and get it out. You can pull this out. So before we put the new headlight on, we're going to have to take this piece off and transfer it to the new headlight. There's a little clip right here. This little retainer is what holds this in. So you're going to take a flat blade tool from the back side, pry it up just a little, just to release the lock. And then this whole thing will slide right out. This is our old headlight. This is our new headlight assembly from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shapes are the same. Light bulb configuration is the same. The marker on the side is the same. On the back side, see all the connectors are the same. All the mounting brackets are the same. This will be a fresh upgrade to your car to make it look brand new in the front. Get your part at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So our new headlight assembly comes with light bulbs. And I'm just going to show you on the back how you adjust it. There's an adjuster right here. You can take your Phillips head screwdriver. It's helpful if you have a long one. You can stick it right there in that slot and then turn this, and that's how you adjust the headlights. Now we're going to reinstall this plastic piece. It's going to go over on the front like that. And then once you get it over here, it's going to lock in right there, just like that. All right, I'm going to plug this back in this connector here until it clicks in, and then this little tie is going to go in here, and then this connector right here. Click that in. Before we put it all back together, we want to make sure it works. We're going to turn the key on. Oh, here's the key. And turn it on. As you can see, the headlight works and the marker light works. We're going to try our high beams. And those work. And our blinker. And those work as well. Now that you know the light is functioning properly, you can install it. We want to line this little tab up in there, that little slot. Now reinstall our bolts. We have our bolts right here. Use my socket and ratchet. My socket and my extension to get this one started. You want to get them all started before you start tightening them down, because otherwise the holes might not line up. This is the last one. Now I can start tightening them down. We're just going to snug them up like that. Snug that one. Be careful, that one's just in plastic. The procedure will be exactly the same for the driver's side. I'm going to slide this back in. Be careful on the sides. You get the front up here. Get these, just push these in. We're not going to push them all the way down yet. Just like that. And then get it lined up over here. I'm going to line it up with the headlight. And then push it in. And then on the side. And right there. Lock that in. Same with the other side. Line it up with the headlight here. Push it in. Line those tabs up in there. Push that there. And push those on. Now we can push down on these. Lock these in. These lock retainers back in. Now we're going to install the push clip right here on the sides first. Just push it in. And then lock it in, just like that. If you want to see. Same for the other side. Pull this back. Push that in there and then lock it in. And I'm going to connect our fog light. Connect that to the bulb. Plug the connector in. I'm going to do the same for the other side. Plug the connector in. Lock it in. And we can slide these inner fender wells back in place. And this is going to slide in under here, just like that. And the other side too. Slide this in. Oops. Underneath here, it's going to slide. It goes on the outside. And push these push clips in. Right there. Another one right there. Another one right here. Another one right here. And then two more right here. And the last one.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.